We pause today to dwell on what we are thankful for, to share a portion with others why we have been thankful all year. Thankful for the time we had. Thankful for those that inspired us. Thankful for those that taught us. Thankful for the memories made. For the mistakes that we learned from. Thankful for the beauty of God's creation. I'm thankful for family and friends to share it with. Thankful for the places we have seen. Thankful for the food that we've had. Thankful for the places we have been. Thankful for the mountains to climb and the time to enjoy it together. Thankful for the way to get there and the tools to make it happen. Thankful for all of you for watching and supporting.
How's it going? I'm Jared Gillis. Welcome to another All About RVs.
As I think about it today, I have so many reasons to be thankful and grateful. The bottom line is, I'm just thankful.